Tired of that cracked, stained, and dusty garage floor? Imagine a space that's not only functional, but looks fantastic and can hold up with the durability performance you need. Welcome to your local, trusted garage flooring company, Leaf Home. We're diving deep into the world of garage flooring installation. Whether you're dreaming of a complete garage makeover or simply need a more durable garage flooring solution, we'll walk you through why upgrading your garage floor is a game changer and how we make the process seamless. We'll be covering 3 key areas today. First, we'll explore the common problems with old garage floors and why new garage flooring might be the perfect solution. Next, we'll highlight the incredible benefits a new floor can bring to your home. Finally, we'll give you an inside look at our reliable service and efficient installation process, including our popular one-day installs and exciting customization options. Let's face it, most garage floors endure a lot. Years of dropped tools, spilled chemicals, and constant vehicle traffic can lead to unsightly cracks, stubborn stains, and a dusty environment. These issues aren't just cosmetic. They can also make cleaning difficult and even pose safety hazards. If you're noticing significant wear and tear, it's likely time to consider the long-term benefits of the best garage flooring that's built to last. Investing in new garage flooring offers a wealth of advantages. Imagine a surface that's easy to clean, resistant to oil and chemicals, and can withstand heavy use. That's the power of durable garage flooring. Beyond practicality, a fresh floor instantly elevates the look of your entire garage, creating a more enjoyable and organized space. Plus, with options like a high-quality garage floor sealant, you're investing in a long-lasting garage flooring solution and helping prevent future damage that protects your concrete for years to come. Properly sealing garage floors is crucial for longevity and preventing future damage. At Leaf Home, your local garage flooring company, we understand the importance of a hassle-free experience. That's why we've streamlined our garage floor install process. We pride ourselves on our local reliability and efficiency, often completing installations in just one day. But it's not just about speed, it's about customization. We offer a wide range of colors, textures, and finishes to perfectly match your style and needs. From durable coatings to decorative flakes, you have the power to create a garage floor that's uniquely yours. Ready to transform your garage with a beautiful and durable garage flooring solution? Visit leafhome.com/garage flooring to explore our customization options and learn more about our convenient one-day installs. Don't settle for a worn-out garage floor any longer. Discover the difference that a professional garage floor install can make. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more garage organization tips and ideas. We're here to help you create the garage of your dreams.